This is Eureka Math, 3rd grade, Module 3, Lesson 21, Exit Ticket. We're going to start with our first problem, which is number 3. Frederick buys a can of 3 tennis balls. Each tennis ball weighs 60 grams. What is the total weight of the 3 tennis balls? The 3 tennis balls weigh blank grams. So this is simply a multiplication problem. There's 3 tennis balls and they each weigh 60 grams. So each is a good word to indicate multiplication. Okay, so 3 times 60. Now, in one of our exit tickets the other day, I showed you a trick. So when you have a 0 at the end, say like 60. So instead of saying 60, let's do 3 times 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. Then you bring that 0 and add it to the end. So the answer is 180. But not just 180, 180 grams. So the 3 balls weigh 180 grams. So you can write it like this with a G, 180, or write it out, grams, G-R-A-M-S, either way. Number 4, Frederick buys a can of 3 tennis balls. The empty can weighs 20 grams, and each tennis ball weighs 60 grams. What is the total weight of the can with the 3 tennis balls? The can, 3 balls weighs blank grams. I think that's supposed to say the can with 3 balls weighs how many grams? Okay, so this is going to be more than one step. We have to figure out how much the 3 balls weighs. Then we have to add it together with the empty can weight. So we're adding 3 tennis balls, and each means multiply. Each ball weighs 60 grams. Okay, so that's step 1. Each tennis ball. So here's 1 tennis ball, 2, 3, and they each weigh 60 grams. Like this. So step 1 is 3 times 60, and that's in parentheses. Now we have to add the weight of the empty can. Okay, so step 2 is adding 20 grams, because that also, even though it's empty, it's still, the can itself weighs something. So now we multiply 3 times 60. Remember our trick? 3 times 6 is 18, and then add the 0 at the end. So 3 times 60 is 180 grams, plus we have to add the weight of the empty can, which is 20 grams. 180 plus 20, that will give us the total weight. Okay, if you want to set it up like this, line up the ones place and tens place and hundreds place. Now we add the ones place first. 0 plus 0 is 0. Add the tens place. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we put down our 0. Carry the 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer to this problem is 200, not just 200, 200 grams. The can of 3 balls weighs 200 grams.